So translate this proverb for me. Agbawabura bí èwe òṣìọrí.
Okay, what I understand by Agbawabura Ewe sharing me that elder should come and explain if you have not been in position of a child before. And that's what I mean by Agbawabura sharing.
So what do you understand by that?
What I understand by that is that elder should not be able. I mean, elder should know that no matter anything that child do today, he or she have been in that position before. So don't get it twisted, Jerry.
Thank you very much. Translate this Yoruba proverb for me, which is Awolumate Iware Lumo.
And somebody that enters a town and know his or her standards or her levels and put himself to that level.
Okay, so what's the meaning?
To me, the meaning is just having comforting, just to know your standards and know your levels about everything you are doing.
Thank you very much, Ma.
Please subscribe to Ilekoko TV.
Ẹni ọ̀rẹ́ dà má fi ṣèbínú, ẹni abínibí gan dání.
First, let me translate it to English, which means any oreda, that a person being disappointed by a friend, Kuma should be, person should not take it in a, let me just say, in an angry manner, because people that you are even born together, like maybe, let me just say, like twins, they can disappoint each other at any time.
Thank you very much.
My name is Kazum.
So quickly, can you translate and tell us the meaning of this proverb, which is Sọ láàárín ajé ló mú ní kẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
So Allah means in all what you are doing, you need to be going straight forward. To move on what you are doing because you want to make a daily bread or become rich man, and you now move into one side to another. And you now the bypassing on the poor and put you join the bad attitude and what is not good.
Please subscribe to Ilekoko TV.
Fèyí sòyí kì í tán nílé aláǹtakùn, ara kì í tán nílé alára. So when we speak about Fèyí sòyí, that is joining of a ropes. So it doesn't end as in you cannot do without it when you have a spider. Then ara kì í tán nínú alára. You know, let's take our artist as a case study, as an example. We always have something to write about. So ara, when you say ara, it's something that you are not expecting, that is amassing to surprise you. So you always find it in the mind of intelligent people, and it's always there as their source. That's it.
Pánsá ò fura, pánsá já, ajá ò fura, ajá jìn, onílé tí ò bá fura, olè ní òkú.
That is Pansa of Fura. One, you have to be vigilant to your neighbor so that they cannot put you in the problem. Because when you are not vigilant, somebody can come and steal your property because you are not vigilant. Two, Pansa of Ajaji is what they call it Ajaji is an up. What you put on the top. Don't talk about you put on the top. Eh? Somebody will not know. That they have to keep quiet. Before, if you tell anybody what you put up, they will come and steal you. If you have billion naira, you don't tell anybody, you are free. But if you have money, you come and say, my brother, I have money. Somebody will steal you. That's part of your Ajaji. Ajaji is a human being. But this mind you is very deep. Ajaji is a mind. It's very deep. Eh?
Thank you very much, sir.
You are welcome, brother. Welcome, sister.